Let's talk about Yale YSM400EG1 certified office safe with 2K cache capacity. Insurance approved, rating 2000, cash 20,000 valuables. Sold secure, silver, secured by design ratings. LCD screen with 3 8-digit PIN code. 22mm electronic locking bolt mechanism with reinforced hinges and armored steel anti-drill plates. Can be fixed to wall or floor, fixing pack and instructions included. I really like this safe. It is about the right size for my needs, and due to its location I appreciate the LEDs on the front and the interior. The instructions are pretty bad. There is a sticker on the front of the door to warn you not to put the spare keys inside the safe door, but I think it is step 7 in the instructions where they tell you to change the factory default entry code. I wonder how many people have not bothered to read the instructions all the way through and don't realize that anyone could open the safe with the default codes, which I won't repeat here. The door gives a little, so when you enter the code the door moves forward and backward a couple of millimeters and makes a bit of a noise. I'll simply add a bit of felt to fix this, but it would have been nice to not have to do this with a bit of DIY. Overall though, for the price, worth it in my Looks like I'm in the minority here, but expect more than 2mm metal plating for the money. Can flex the top by pushing. I think a small disc cutter would open it up in seconds. Went for the Yale Fire Safe instead, which feels much more substantial.